Friday, and we are going downtown today to look at all of the FIFA things around Vancouver. So we're gonna go do that today because that's fun and exciting. And also Vancouver is really busy right now, like at the train station, because I did a sale on Marketplace and I had to meet the girl at the station, and it was so busy. Like there are so many people and a lot of them are wearing jerseys.
Really?
Yeah, because there was a game this morning or this afternoon. But today is a hot day outside.
This weekend is going to be
This weekend is going to be a hot weekend. So we're gonna go tonight. So at least it's a little bit warmer when we go. And then on the weekend, we're gonna try to stay away from downtown and maybe touch some grass somewhere else. Because, you know, grounding. But anyways, we're just getting ready. We just got off work. And then I did a Hirono sale. And Kat sold some Tupperwares that we had, like...
Pirates ba yun?
No, not Pyrex. Like glass Tupperware. We sold that on Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, we're just getting ready. Let me show you my Hirono that is super cute. It's my favorite one because it's so cute. And it came with a little friend. Look! That's so cute! This one is called The Ghost. It's from the other one series. I don't care if you guys don't care. I'm gonna tell you about it. But look at him. It's so cute. I got this yesterday from Whatnot because my friend and I have been like on Whatnot a lot lately. I haven't been buying. This is the only thing that I bought. But she bought a lot of things. But anyways, this is the cutest Hirono I have. Would you agree?
It's the cutest.
Okay, we're just gonna get ready. There's Kat. Say.
Wait,
Okay.
is it facing me?
Yeah.
Wait, can I see?
Okay, we're just gonna get ready and then we're gonna leave soon. So, see you, I don't know, see you wherever we are. I don't know.
We are taking the transit kasi alam namin na magiging busy sobra yung downtown ngayon and magiging mahal yung parking. So, mag-train kami. Thank you so much. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Ang tagal na naming hindi na Granville Station kasi lagi kaming sa Burrard bumababa. And parang dami nang nagbago dito, no? 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 Oo. Like muffled? Yeah. No? Did you make it? Okay, here. Ito. Dati may Starbucks to dito eh. And then, di ba ginawa nila tong ano? This one, Starbucks. And then, di ba ginawa nila tong something before? May liquor store din yan dyan.
No, that's upstairs.
No, sabi yung liquor store is up the elevator to the right. Pinalit nila. Yeah.
Ooh, it's a tough smell.
Welcome to Granville pala. So, marami ng police visibility ngayon dito, guys. And then, madami na ding sinara na roads. Actually, itong road na to, sinara nila to for
No,
pedestrians.
the one over there, right?
This one.
This one?
Yes.
Even buses?
I don't.
Oops. What page? There are things going on there.
This is Granville, yes.
Wow! This is a nice city.
Turista sa sariling lugar.
Never been here before. My first time.
Uy, I'm glad na yung hotdog area is
Let's see if my
andito.
friend is there. Your friend is there. My friend is not there.
Okay, so ayan, nilagyan nila road closed.
Wow, look. FIFA World Cup 2026. It's so amazing.
Yeah.
Wow, I've never seen Granville like this. Pretty cool.
Oo nga.
Summer.
At saka, alam nyo, ang ganda kasi yung weather this weekend is going to be great and very hot.
Banana. I love bananas. Wow, look, it's so colorful.
Very
Cute. Lots of sounds, lots of people. It's so lively and it's not stinky.
Oh no, na ganito palang amoy.
You've arrived. Yes. Work. Wow, there are a lot of tourists. Like you can tell that they're tourists.
Binuksan nila to?
What?
That one, this one.
Which one? Simmons?
Yung sa Holt na
Oh, that's Simmons. That's gonna be Simmons. This used to be the Nordstrom.
Ay, Nordstrom pala. I know, but like, this one ba, binuksan nila. Kasi for construction.
There is a gathering of people. We should go.
Look at this.
Wow, I feel like a tourist. There's my friend, James. Okay, what's going on?
This trick is called the cups and the bows. And it's a trick that inspired me to become a magician when I was a little kid. When I was 6 years old, I was standing right where you guys are, on a street in Nelson, British Columbia. Little tiny hippie town.
I don't even know
Some of
where
you
it
guys
is.
know it. And that's what I watched the first magician from New Zealand perform this effect, and it was so magical.
Alright, I don't really
Thinking,
need to watch.
I want to be like you when I grow up.
That's
Okay.
cool.
So,
Love that for them.
so the,
for us.
so the entire street of yung galing dun sa pinanggalingan namin sa London Drugs.
Look, and they have signs for public washrooms. What the heck?
know.
Who knew? Who really knew that Vancouver could do this, right? Like, that just means our government was slacking before this.
Are we?
We're crossing.
Okay, alright, we're crossing.
Look at this Shibuya crossing.
This is the sixth, ano pala, na street.
What's that called? There's
6 weeks.
a term for that.
So, okay, so look at that.
crossing?
They have ano din o mga signs na where to go sa ano.
Wow! Oh my god, amazing! Alright, let's go.
That is so amazing.
I love it. Look at all of these things. Let's go check them out. Let's go walk in the middle so we can see everything.
Yeah.
Look at that. It says,
This calls for Mars.
look at this little installation. That is nice. Oh, and even a mushroom. Wow. Oh. Wow, they really hired a lot of, what are those called? Buskers?
I want you to check this out. Make sure it's an ordinary sponge ball. And upon inspection, take it up in there and tell everyone that is an ordinary sponge ball. Try pull it apart. Can you? No, it doesn't work. You have to do it very specifically, like this. Watch.
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing.
I love this. I love this for us.
Look at that. You've arrived. Granville Pedestrian Zone.
It just says like where we are, so like we don't get lost. That's pretty cool. I love not getting lost. Yeah, let's look at more things. Oh my god, this is so exciting. What? There's a Jollibee here?
So, ang haba pala, no? Ang haba pala ng
Yeah, I
street
think
na
until
blinock
the edge
nila.
over there.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's really cool.
Like another
Oh my
mushroom.
god.
More mushrooms. What does the mushroom represent? Because why are there so many mushrooms?
Yeah.
And the weather is perfect. I thought it was going to be like too hot, but without the sun, it's actually really nice and fresh. So sorry. Lots of tourists. Do you know where the store is? Like the FIFA store?
No.
It is not?
I don't even know.
Look at
Guys, you know, I see a lot of tourists and you know that they're really tourists kasi they
this.
iba
They
lang.
look like me right now.
Like, sobrang iba lang talaga.
Alright. See, there's more over there.
We play together. We win together.
Cool.
That is very cute.
Yeah, I really wonder where they like put the homeless people. You know, that's kind of concerning.
I mean, they kind of already knew na naman na siguro kung saan sila pupunta. They have their areas for sure, but like...
Yeah, I know, but they don't really get treated with respect. But anyway, let's go walk over there. That seems to be a busier area. Okay, there's a lot more things are going on here.
A lot more music, a lot more people.
And
Yeah.
usually, like, this area is almost empty because the stores aren't here anymore. Who is this? Does anybody know who this is? He's not Messi, that's for sure. He's wearing a Messi sweater. I mean, a jersey, but that's not Messi.
Hold on, let me...
Guys, there's a little soccer match going on. How cute is that? Look at that. Oh my god, I love it. I love that. Okay, let's go over there. Look, it's so cute. Legit. Legitness.
I'll send this to Jen.
Alright, let's go. Ooh, what is this? What's nearby?
I'm sorry.
Alright. Okay, let's go. Look at that. They even installed these. foosball tables. Wow, there are a lot. Wow, I love this. Oh my god, there's so many things going on. Here, can you hold this again?
Yeah, okay. Sorry. What is happening?
Big soccer ball. Scan for the story. Guys, you can
Okay, yeah, let's do it.
scan for the story. Okay, let's go look at it while we walk. Behind the magic. Okay, so it's just the meaning behind the installation. What is it? Look at that.
love it.
Yes, love that. Really love that.
I didn't know there's Taco Bell here.
Taco Bell? Yeah, that's new. That wasn't there before. I think it was new last year or early this year.
That's a watch party.
There's a game right now? We're so not into sports because we don't even know what's going on, but we just love this. We love this vibe.
What's today?
Today is the 12th.
Okay.
Look, they have that for cheering. Actually, these are just big ads, but we love it. I love that. Nice. Look at this. Oh my god, there's more over there. I really feel like a tourist right now. Like, we were just pretending to be tourists earlier, but now I actually feel like I'm a tourist because Vancouver doesn't always look like this.
That's so true.
Okay, we're just gonna cross the road. We're gonna wait, and I don't want to waste any space on this memory, so see you guys later. There's more here.
We are, nasa, pang ilan na ba ito na block? I think third block or fourth.
Oh, that's the tattoo shop that I took one of my clients to. She got a piercing, and it's really nice in there.
Nice. Ang dami din kasi yung pubs dito sa
Guys, if you spot any like famous people, let us know because we don't know. Look, there's more installations over there. Dream Team. Do you guys see? Right there. I'll close up. Yeah, right there. This feels like Stampede a little bit.
Really?
Yeah. You've been to Stampede?
Yeah.
It kind of feels like this. Money Marts. Do you want to sign this wall?
But do we have a pen? Do you
Yeah,
have a
I think they
marker?
provide pens.
Oh, there's a marker.
You want to sign it? Let's go sign it.
You say it's dead. Okay. That's fine. That's
Let's go in the middle. There's a strip club right there. It's a good
Hold on.
tourist destination too. I was trying to figure out what country or if it was Canada, but it just says goal. All right.
Where are we now?
We're at Helmkin Street. This is, I think, the 5th block.
Okay.
Pretty fun, guys.
There's a dollar store.
There's less people on this side. I love that. Even the homeless people are wearing jerseys. They love sports, you know? It really smells like just weed out here in Vancouver. So if anybody's like trying to visit Vancouver and you're not used to weed,
Just be prepared.
Every time you smell something, just ignore it. It's fine. It's normal. Don't mind it. I think this is the end because that's Granville Bridge.
Yeah. So
We're just gonna find a washroom right now.
let's just go back, I think.
Okay.
Let's just go back. And then let's go that way so we can go straight to Robson. Okay, come on.
Oh, US is playing. Let's not cheer for them. It's a bench, but it's like a goalpost. Really cool.
Cute.
Even like those are just seats.
Yeah. Okay, so I think we are heading na sa guys, sa Robson Square because
cupping. I want to do some cupping.
sorry, very random. Actually, hindi random kasi nag-usap kami about massage. Anyway, dumadami yung tao sa Granville, guys, and no, I think it's fine. It's fine. So, dumadami yung tao sa Granville, guys, kasi nga paggabi na. And, weekend and my game. So,
Let's go to the FIFA store.
sure, yeah. So, now, we are heading to Robson Square. Hindi ako sure eh. Kita nyo ba? Kita nyo ba yung Kita nyo, Kita nyo ba yung mga balls?
Oh, it smells good. What is that?
That one. We'll show you.
Right here in front of us. Where is it? Am I pointing at the right one?
Yes, you're
This is the official FIFA store.
So, fake news pala yun kanina, guys. Bumalik kami sa daan namin from Robson Street kasi we were told that yung FIFA store, official store, is it the official store? Okay, let's cross. Come on. Okay, so we were told that
We're not gonna buy anything because it seems expensive.
yeah, no, I know, but like we were told that the FIFA store is right across Granville Station. Oh, Old Navy at Granville, on Granville. So we are going there. And we're gonna check if magkano yung mga prices nila.
These are $25, and this one is a whopping $65. And look at inside.
Okay, so kumain kami dun, guys. Umupo lang kami saglit dun. Umupo lang kami saglit dun, and then nag-people watch while eating, but also enjoying the music. It's really fun.
But as Vancouver's, there was someone smoking weed beside us, so we left. We're not trying to get high while walking around.
Yeah, but alam niyo, masaya. Masaya talaga.
Vibes are vibing.
Minsan lang namin na-explore talaga yung downtown Vancouver, no? Pero ngayon ba? I mean, everyday naman, or like not everyday. Pag in-office kami, kasi yung office namin andito sa downtown, andito naman kami. Pero hindi kami nagawi sa buong area ng downtown, you know? Like, drive lang from bahay.
Gusto
Tsaka
mo
ayoko na. Yung usual na dinadaanan namin from bahay to work, yun lang talaga. Nothing else. But now, parang ang saya maglakad.
Yeah. And it's also nice because nobody's judging you when you're filming like this because everybody's a tourist. They don't know who we are.
Yeah. So now, yung quest namin is maghanap ng ay, wala na, oo. Maghanap ng
Guys, that's the...
iinumin. Taka lang.
What's it called when it's,
Flagship?
flagship store? Diba? Flagship yan.
I think so. Flagship store dito sa Apple sa Vancouver. Ano yung sinasabi ko? Yeah, I know. Lumalamig na and uhaw kami pero mainit yung ulo ko. Ay, hindi mainit na galit ha. Like, mainit lang yung feeling sa ulo ko because I don't know. And I was having migraine kanina and now I can still feel that it's throbbing. So now, naghahanap kami ng may inom. And yeah.
Maybe our brewery is still open.
Okay, we can go. Okay, puntahan namin yung Aburi, guys. Taka lang.
Just buy a drink there.
Look at this display, guys, sa Vancouver Gallery. Future geographies.
That's probably the exhibit that's on right now.
Yeah. Art in the century of climate change. This is very nice. This is very, very nice. You guys should go if may time kayo. Go visit Vancouver Art Gallery. Hala, nag-promote.
Tourism, Vancouver. Tourism, British Columbia, Canada.
Okay, yun lang. Teka lang, guys, maghanap muna kami ng may inom. Habang naghahanap kami, guys, ng mabibilhan ng maiinom, we also found this one outside of Pacific Center. This one, you can also take pictures and just stay here and also
That's
hang
a
out.
bad frame.
Sorry. Yeah.
There you go.
Ooh, hi. They're Filipinos. I hope they're watching and you're subscribing.
Let's hope that.
This is beside Vancouver
This one, guys,
City
is a
Center
soccer
station.
ball. This one is ball. Big ball. Big soccer ball. FIFA World Cup.
Wow. Alright, guys, medyo mahangin na, no, lumalamig na.
And
So-
as always, we went to Aburi.
We
because-
love Aburi.
We love Aburi.
Okay.
And we got Japanese Coke, and I don't know if you guys know, but Japanese Coke is different, much different. You know why? Because it's not as sweet. It's just fresh and refreshing. This is an ad, by the way. This is a not paid ad. This is a volunteered ad. But these are really good.
So guys, papunta na kami ngayon ng Granville Station kasi lumalamig na and paggabi na din.
And we don't have a sweater. I
We
mean,
don't.
I have a sweater, but Tab doesn't have a sweater.
I don't have a sweater.
So, the other places, we'll just go to those another day.
Yeah. So, yeah, pupunta na lang namin yun pag medyo maaga-aga. Kasi ngayon, after work to, so medyo nagipit kami sa oras.
Yeah, and it's already sunset. I don't even know what time it is because my Apple Watch is dead. It's 9 already?
Yeah.
No, it's quick. Also, we saw Eleni and Rachel, and we chatted with them for some time, and it was really fun.
Yeah, we had a good time chatting with them. Yeah.
But yeah, I think we're gonna go for like dinner or brunch with them at some point. But yeah, it was really fun.
Yeah. Okay, should we start walking?
Yeah, we're just gonna take the train right now.
Guys, kawawa naman po yung kasama ko. First time niya po mag-train after ilang
No, we took the train
matagal na siyang hindi
on
nag-train,
Wednesday.
guys. Tapos parang igno siya sa train.
Look at the progress
Igno
of
siya sa
our
train,
Invisalign.
guys.
Oh, wow. Here, you gotta zoom in. Okay, ready?
No,
You gotta point it. Wow, that's a big soccer ball.
That's a big soccer ball.
That's a big ball.
That's a big ball.
Wow.
Kanan
Vancouver
naman.
had balls.
Yan na
FIFA
siya.
World Cup 2026. Kai and I were just talking about how like we feel so tired, and we started feeling it. Well, Kat felt tired because she had a headache, but we started feeling tired.
I think kasi work day din, you know?
Yeah, and it's been a long week of But I was saying once we opened the
Can I have your, so I can charge it?
which yeah. Anyways,
Why?
because I can't finish my story. So once we like entered our apartment, we felt all the tiredness in our body. Actually, no, we felt it once we sat down. So like when we parked, because we parked at the station today. So when we got in our car and then
Yung feeling na pagod.
drove home, which is like, mind you, that's only a 5-minute drive, or like not even, like maybe 3 minutes. But once we got there, I started to drive, and we were listening to this podcast. And then when we parked downstairs, we just sat there for like, I don't know, an extra 10 minutes because we were trying to finish the story from this podcast. And then we felt like, oh my god, the tired is loading. Like, you feel it. And then we both said to each other when we got in the apartment that I'm so tired. We're so tired. Yeah, I'm so tired. But anyway, that was
fun.
it's really nice to see Vancouver and all of this. I don't know, and all of this festivities, because it's just nice, you know. It's nice to feel like the tourist, so you appreciate your city more, and also you see what we offer as a city, as a country, you know. But yeah, it was fun. It's fun, and I think a lot of people are mad about this FIFA and hosting and like bidding to be a host. But honestly, this does us good too. Which one? This stuff does our economy really good. And people were mad because they were like, people need help right now. Like, we're in kind of a recession and we're hosting, and like a lot of resources are going there. But also, it can boost our tourism in Canada, not just in Vancouver, you know. And like there are games in Toronto also, and you see the potential of what the city could look like if the government spent a lot of money on the city, like cleanups and everything and activities. So that's kind of nice. But you know, and because it's already here, you guys might as well enjoy it. Because what else are you gonna do? Get mad? Sulk? Don't get mad. It's fun. Just go downtown and party with the people. They're all vibing down. There's so many tourists. Like, most of the people that we encountered today were tourists. But I think this vlog is getting really long, so I think we should cut it.
Is it getting long?
I think so. I don't know. We walked around lots. And that ballroom, or not ballroom, what's that called? That dance? There's like a dance thing going on at Robson. That apparently happens every Friday, not just for FIFA. That's just a thing that they do, which is cool. Because I knew that they had like things like this, like they had like many associations where they do this fun stuff. But because when you get off work and you work in downtown, you don't want to stay there. You just kind of, you want to rest, you want to get ready for the next day, you know. And then on the weekend, especially if you work in downtown, you don't want to go to downtown. Except we do go downtown.
Some weekends, but mostly.
But we don't walk around. Like, we just go there because of a brewery or like Holt Renfrew or like we have to pick up something from work, something like that. But anyway, we're gonna end this because we're tired and we're gonna get ready for bed and just sleep.
Yes. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Actually, siguro i-explore namin yung ano, kasi,
The rest.
yeah, kasi yung, sorry, nag-burp ako and it smells bad. Yung area ng Canada Place, madami ding ganap doon apparently, but we'll plan
And we
it
also
out.
want to try to go to like one of the watch parties at the P&E, the fan
Fan
fest, because it looks fun, especially on game days. It looks like everybody's just happy and like cheering, and I don't know if you guys have ever been to like a sports game, but it's fun. Like the hockey games are fun because everybody's just cheering. So we want to try to go to one of those. I don't know if we're gonna be successful because you know the crowd kind of stops us sometimes, like the thought of being there.
No, but we will
I think
try
it's a
our
nice
very
experience.
best. Yeah. We will try our very best. Kasi it's not always like this naman dito. Parang nagiging turista kami sa sariling lugar.
Yeah, it's a different Vancouver that we're experiencing right now, actually. Or today we experienced. Because it's
Yeah.
never been like this. Actually, Granville right now feels like Granville from like 10 years ago. Or like 15 years ago. So it's really nice. Because there's lots of people, lots of tourists and everything.
Yeah.
Anyways, I said I'm gonna end this vlog. So I'm gonna end this vlog. Goodbye. Good night.
Bye!
Bye.